creamy inside. Some people call me a superfood, and guess what? It's true.
Aces.
I grow on trees in warm, sunny places. When I'm ready to eat, I become soft and yummy. I have healthy fats that help your heart stay strong. Yes, not all fats are bad. I have good fats called omega fats. I also help your brain stay sharp, so when you study, read, or solve puzzles, I'm your little helper. And wait, I have fiber too. That means I help your tummy stay happy and free. You can eat me in sandwiches, salads, or even on toast. Some people make yummy guacamole from me. I may look simple from outside, but inside I'm full of power. Taffy. So remember, kids, eat healthy, stay active, and smile every day. I'm Avocado, your